How to Grow Sprouts, a simple guide that I created to help you with everything you need on how to grow your sprouts in your own kitchen. You only need simple tools that probably you already have at home, like mason jars and mason jar lids. You're gonna need screen lids, and I'm showing you here how to create a DIY project using plastic canvas. They're super cheap and you can find them at any local craft store. They come in different sizes, so depending on the seeds or grains that you're sprouting, is that you're gonna use your plastic canvas lid. I measure the insert of the mason jar lid to create my screen lid. Here I'm using lentil seeds to sprout, about 3 tablespoons. Then I'm gonna close it tight, and I'm using filtered water to soak my seeds for about 12 hours. After the 12 hours, I'm gonna drain it, add new water, rinse it, and give it a swirl to make sure I rinse it well. Then drain it, and you want to keep your sprouts as dry as possible to prevent molding. Also, you can save the water to use it for your plants. Find more details, instructions, and fun tutorials on my blog, thehungrydragonfly.com. Happy sprouting! Thanks for watching.